Hi everyone, it's time for today's morning maths challenge. Okay, let's get started. Can you count in tens starting from the number 5? Can you remember the pattern? Pause the video and see if you can have a go. Maybe write it down or count out loud and then come back and check. Ready? Count with me. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105. Well done, everybody. Do you remember the pattern? Yeah, that's right. The ones number stays the same, doesn't it? And the tens number gets bigger each time, doesn't it? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. All right, well done. Okay, now practice counting in tens starting from these numbers. Starting from the number 8 and then from the number 17. Pause the video, grab yourself a piece of paper and a pencil and have a go. Okay, how did you get on? Why don't you check and see if my answers are the same as yours? Remember that the ones number stays the same and the tens number gets bigger each time because we're adding on one lot of 10. If you found that a bit tricky, not to worry, pause the video here, choose a number and use the number square to help you count up in tens. So if I chose number 2, what would be next? 12 and then 22. And the numbers go down in a straight line when we're adding on 10 on the number square, don't they? So that will help you if you're having a bit of a tricky time. Good luck! Okay, we've got 4 questions here for our morning maths challenge. Have a look and see how you get on and then come back and check your answers. Okay, so the first question was 23 add 59 equals something. That was a really tricky one, wasn't it? The first thing we need to do is split up that smaller number so I know how many tens and ones it's got in it. Which one is the smaller number? Yes, it's 23 because that's got 2 tens and 59's got 5 tens. So even though this number's at the beginning, it's still the smaller number, isn't it, in this case? Okay, so 23 is made of 2 lots of 10 and 3 ones. 10 and 10 and 3. What do we need to do next? Well done, we need to draw a number line, putting our bigger number at the start of the number line. There we go. What do we need to do next? Yeah, add on the tens. We've got 2 tens for 23. Okay, so I've got my 2 lumps of 10. Where am I going to land? 59, 69. Well done. I'm adding 1 10, another 10, 69, 79. Super counting in tens. Take my tens off to remind me I've done them. Tick, tick. Okay, now I've got my 3 to add on, so I'm going to add another jump of 3. Ta-da! So here's I'm going to use my fingers to help me. When I count in ones, I can use my fingers. 79 on our heads, here we go. 79. 80. 81, 82, and we've added on 1, 2, 3 ones. What did we land on? 82. Well done. And the last job we have is to finish off our number sentence. 23 add 59 is 82. Tick or fix. Well done, year 2. Okay, we had a multiplication question this time. 4 times 5 equals something, or 4 lots of 5 equals something. So, I'm going to draw some groups, aren't I? How many groups? 4 groups, well done. How many in each group? 5 in each group. Let's see. So here I've got my 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got 5 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how will I find out the total? Yeah, I need to count in fives, don't I? Ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20. Well done. 4 lots of 5 makes 20. Now, drawing our groups can be really useful when we're not sure how to count up or how to count up in fives, but I think we're quite good. So let me show you something that's going to be a bit quicker. 4 lots of 5. So I know that I need to count in fives, and I know that I need to count in fives 4 times, don't I? So I can use my fingers. Have a look. 5, 10, 15, 20. I've counted in fives 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and I got the same answer of 20. Can you see that was much quicker? I used my fingers to count up in fives 4 times. Tick or check. Okay, it's a subtraction question now. 89 take away 24. So first of all, let's split up that smaller number into tens and ones. Well done, 2 tens and 4 ones. What's next? Draw a number line. 89 is my biggest number, so it's going to go at the end of my number line so I can count back. Well done. What's next? Yep, we need to take away those tens first. 2 jumps of 10 backwards. Go. Okay, well done. Here are my jumps of 10. Where am I going to land? 89, 8 tens, 7 tens, and my ones number stays the same. 79, 69. Brilliant. Tick those tens off so I don't forget I've done them already. Tick, tick. All that's left to do now is take away those ones. A jump of 4. Okay, here's where using our fingers is going to come in really useful. So, put 69 on our heads, count back 4. Here we go. 69, 68, 67, 66, 65. 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted back 5 and I landed on 65. Brilliant. Let's just finish off that number sentence. 89 take away 24 equals 65. Tick or fix. Okay, and the last question was the trickiest one of them all. 53 add 58. Gosh, those are quite big numbers to start with, so I'm a bit worried about this one. What do we need to do? Yeah, we need to split the smaller number into tens and ones. Which one is smaller? This one's got 5 tens, and this one's got 5 tens. So we need to look at the ones. 3 ones and 8 ones. This one must be smaller because it's only got 3 ones. So let's see what it's made out of. That's right. 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 ones. Well done. Next job, draw a number line and put the bigger number at the start. Ta-da! Okay, now we need to add on our tens, and we've got 5 jumps of 10 this time. That's a lot of tens. Okie dokie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. Let's see if we can count up in tens, starting from 58. 58, 68, 78, 88, 98, oh gosh, 98, 108, got 108. Well done if you got that. That was very tricky. Let's take all of these tens off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. Now we need to add those ones. Okay, there's our jump of 3, 108 on our heads, and If we can count on 3. Here we go. 108, 109, 110, 111. Well done. How do we write that number? 111. Well done. Let's just finish off our number sentence. 53 add 58 equals 111. Tick or fix. Not to worry if you didn't quite get that one, it was really tricky. If you did, super well done. Okay, see you tomorrow, Year 2.